Looking for benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar daily? Apple cider vinegar is extremely popular as a weight loss aid among the natural health community all across the globe. Apple cider vinegar can provide all sorts of health benefits supported by science, such as reduced cholesterol, lower blood sugar, etc. With ACV, you can improve your digestion and revitalize your body. Apple cider vinegar is widely used in households for cooking purposes. Today we will discuss the 10 benefits you can get from apple cider vinegar that you can easily include in your lifestyle. Benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar daily. Gets rid of heartburn. People who eat a lot of processed and outside food maybe experience regular heartburn issues. To get rid of this problem, drink 2 tablespoons of raw apple cider vinegar before your meals, or you can dilute it with water. You can see the results within a day. Reduces blood sugar level. The most potent use of apple cider vinegar is to regulate the blood sugar levels in the body. Type 2 diabetes patients can get a lot of benefits from ACV if consumed regularly. With high glycemic food that everyone has daily, it's hard to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Thankfully, ACV has anti-glycemic properties, which can help regulate insulin levels in the body. Detoxifies liver. Apple cider vinegar is known to detoxify the liver for better overall health and body functions. We all get exposed to a lot of harmful chemicals, contaminants, and heavy metals from our environment. These dangerous toxins get to build up in the liver and prevent the absorption of nutrients. A healthy detox with apple cider vinegar can be helpful for the entire body and have a prolonged impact on liver's function. ACV also helps build a better lymphatic system that supports the better circulation of lymph, which is the body's waste disposal. Just 1 tablespoon of ACV in a glass of water before meals will do the detox for you. Kills harmful bacteria. Apple cider vinegar is used as a food preservative because of its antibacterial properties. Because of these properties, ACV is widely used for cleaning and disinfecting many ailments, including ear infections, nail fungus, warts, etc. Helps lose weight. Studies have shown that apple cider vinegar can assist in losing weight effectively. ACV can make you feel fuller and lower your cravings. When you consume apple cider vinegar regularly, you tend to consume fewer calories, leading to weight loss. ACV taken with high carbohydrate meals will increase the feeling of fullness, and you will end up eating lesser food. If incorporated with other healthy lifestyle habits, ACV can do wonders for those seeking to lose weight. Lowers cholesterol. Several factors are associated with the increased risk of highly fatal heart diseases. Apple cider vinegar can lower the bad cholesterol and triglyceride in the blood if consumed regularly. In lab studies, it was found that ACV can reduce blood pressure in rats. Also, apple cider vinegar can increase good cholesterol to maintain a healthy heart and cardiovascular system. Prevents cancer. Cancer is one of the leading causes of death these days and is characterized by the uncontrollable growth of specific cells. It is found in some studies that apple cider vinegar can kill cancer cells and shrink the size of the tumor. These studies have been performed primarily in labs, and this has to be researched a bit more. However, some observational studies have shown that regular consumption of ACV has decreased the growth of cancer. Gets rid of bad breath. Spending on a lot of mints every day to keep bad breath at bay? Well, you don't need to do that anymore. Get rid of the root of the problem with apple cider vinegar. You get bad breath because of the excessive bacteria in your mouth. These bacteria can be killed with the acids present in ACV. Just take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water and gargle it for 30 seconds. Boosts the immune system. Apple cider vinegar has malic acid, which is a potent immune system booster. Additionally, ACV also has antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties, which protect the body from harmful pathogens and make the immune system robust. The high mineral content in apple cider vinegar reduces the risk of developing any sickness. Improves digestion. Many of you might be regularly suffering from an upset stomach, and the pain can get severe at times. If the problem is constant, it is advised to drink apple cider vinegar before breakfast, first thing in the morning. You can add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and drink on an empty stomach. ACV has bacteria-fighting properties that will get rid of the pathogens in your gut and soothe them.